Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Weber Bansal. Today we are going to discuss how I cleared the SPOM test of strategic cost and performance management with marks of 60. Here you can see my mark sheet. I scored 60 marks and I studied only and only for 2 days. Surprised? So here today we are going to discuss my strategies, difficulty levels, important topics to cover, important topics asked in my exams, newly added chapters are important or not, and strategy to pass in SCPM exams, and how I cleared with 60 marks in just 2 days of studies only. People are very much concerned about this chapter, about this subject, that how we're going to proceed with the SCPM examinations. All these questions will be answered in this video only. Please do like, subscribe and share our channel for more such videos. I'll be sharing for the SPOM law as well in the upcoming video. Let's proceed further. Further, the important topics. The important topic list is just in time. You have to cover all these topics very carefully. Apart from this, you can cover any of the topic which you like, but these are the topics which you cannot afford to leave any point of it. So the topic list are just in time, standard costings. Here the formulas are important for the direct labor rate and the efficiency variance, so must require that you cover all the formulas thoroughly. Then the cost of quality, where you will get the numerical portion as well and the theory portion. You may be asked to calculate the numerical part of the internal cost or external cost of quality, the cost of good quality or the cost of bad quality. So you have to be very careful what are the things that cover under the internal, external and the appraisal and preventive points. Then skimming and the penetration pricing policies must be covered very carefully. Life cycle costing. Then there's some calculation point where you'll ask to calculate the NOPAT, WSCC, working or operating capital employed, return on investment, residual income, EVA, direct labor rate and efficiency variance. Then there is a question in our study material regarding the OEE question that must be done. This is the question that is asked various time in the set examinations. Then calculation of machine capacity efficiency. There is also a question in the ICAI study mat in the back questions that you must be doing this question as well. Then there is a newly added topic, that is KNO. Then value of money framework, target costing, digital technologies, hyper competitions and incubators, Altman Z score. These are the topics which are the newly added topics. Apart from target costing, Kano, digital technologies, hyper competitions, incubators, Altman Z score, all are the topics which are newly added. Then the transfer pricing is the most important question which you will get in every examination. There is approximately 3 to 4 questions that will definitely be asked from the transfer pricing, that you have to calculate the maximum or minimum price. So please be careful while calculating the maximum and minimum price. Revise the formulas from which the maximum and minimum price was calculated. Then there is a topic in the transfer pricing itself, the international transfer pricing, where you'll definitely focus on the tax effect. What is the tax effect? And you'll do the MCQ question in the ICI study material at the back. That question is more than sufficient for you to cover that. Then the case in costing, pricing and pricing strategies. McKinsey 7S is the ultimate important topic. You cannot skip that topic. Then the complex business structure, 1 or 2 questions will definitely be asked from this concept. Then the Porter's five forces. This is the evergreen topic that you'll definitely be studying from this since foundation, and now it is also being asked in the SCPM test. Then what are the topics asked in my examination? My examination was comprised of 50 questions, 2 marks each, and approximately the bifurcation is same. Like 25 marks, 20 to 25 marks was for the numerical portion, and 20 to 25 marks was for the theoretical questions. So there is no such difference ki either we should go for a practical portion only or go for the theory portion only. You will cover both the parts as both carries the equal percentage of weightage. Now what are the important topics asked in my examination is standard costing, cost of quality, numerical and theoretical part, which I just covered in the last previous slide. Then skimming and penetration pricing policy, value of money framework, target costing, digital technologies, Pareto's rule analysis. 80-20 rule is important. Two questions was also asked in my examination from this rule. Transfer pricing minimum and maximum calculation, international transfer pricing and tax effect, Porter's five forces, McKinsey's 7S, as I already told, it is a ultimate important topic. You cannot afford to miss this. Then complex business structure and the calculation of NOPAT. These are the some important topics which was covered in my examination, and I scored very well with just a study of 2 days. If you want this PDF, the link in the description is given for the Telegram channel. You'll definitely find the link of this PDF and you can download that. So please do join the Telegram channel and also share the link of this video and the Telegram channel to all your buddies for the upcoming examination of SCPM. Now just covering how the newly added chapters are important. So see, you do not have to cover each and every topic that is given in the newly added chapters. There are some important topics which you will cover and you will pass through the examination. So these are the list of the important topics that KNO, incubators, hyper competition, digital technologies, McKinsey 7S and Altman Z score. McKinsey 7S and Altman Z scores questions should be compulsorily done by the study material MCQ parts. Okay, then I have just added the list of the questions which is changed. If anybody is from the old syllabus and has studied the SCPM in the last semester, then you have to just go through this and check the changes which have been done. Like in the first chapter there is 50 to 60% syllabus changed, and in the fifth chapter fully newly added chapter, eight chapters also added, and then the 11th chapter, preparation of performance reports, is also added. Preparation of performance reports, in this chapter you will have to just cover the topics of the performance reports and how what are the types of performance reports are there. This is just a topic that you will cover from this chapter and you will be go through and then ready to for the examinations. Now, how I cleared in 2 days. See, this is very simple. You all can clear in this examination, just study of 2 days. But to be very clear, what are you studying? See, I had just covered all the important topics which I mentioned above in the slides. These important topics are more than enough, and you will get approximately 40 to 42 questions from this only. And I have completed for more. I have completed the CA Sankalp Kanstiyasar MCQ book for the newly added chapters only. Not for all chapters, but for newly added chapters only. And apart from this, ICAI MCQs of the respective rest chapters. All the rest chapters, ICAI MCQ, I have covered. Nothing else. Only these 3 points I have covered in the 2 days, and I scored 60 marks. Thank you so much for joining in. If you like our video, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel for more further videos. I'll be uploading for the SPOM set a law video as well very soon. And if you want this PDF, do check our description box. There is a link in the description box for our Telegram channel CA Prep by Beba Bansal. From there, you'll find the link and you'll also find the PDF thereon. Thank you so much for joining in.